Alright, step 2, which might be the most important of this whole install, putting the cargo camera on. Rams have a notorious problem that for some reason Ram can't seem to figure out. If you ever have like some fog on the inside of your windows, you don't know why it won't go away, 90% of the time these factory goddamn brake lights leak water right here at the seal. Every one I've had, I fix immediately before. I don't know, I just like Rams, so I like keep buying them, but I fix them. This is what I do. It's so simple. You're never up here screwing. Once you got this done, you might, for the whole life of your truck, you might not ever come up here and actually take that third brake light off again. Especially these are all LEDs on the new one. Take some silicone. I like to use black because it's, it'll look just like trim when I'm done. And what I do is I just put it right along this edge, all the way down this edge, along the edge, down this edge, clean it up with a nice, a wet rag so that the edges look real beautiful. Problem solved. Now, so you know how to install this, 2 screws, Phillips screws. You reuse the Phillips screws. It's about as simple as it gets. You pull it out, 1 plug. That plug right there just has a little push button, unplug it. Third brake light has 1 more wire harness. So you hook the factory light, plug right into the same one you disconnected, take the camera wire, push it, just set it, there's a hole right there, set it on top of the headliner. Install the light, put your silicone on there, or seal that up any way you want to, but seal that up. Make sure that don't leak or you're gonna have troubles inside your truck. Headliner gets wet, stays wet, you get fog on your inside of your windshield. It's probably the best tip of the whole day right there. So as soon as I get this sealed up, then I'm gonna pull that headliner down a little bit, get the wiring all the way up to the radio, then we'll install the radio. Part 3 coming up.